video is for those of you having difficult finding what's the issue with P0620 code for your S550 Mustang. It could be first battery or alternator or the corroded connection. And this is the part that came out of that car. This voltage regulator was broken, damaged. So probably this alternator was not sending the signal to the PCM, which caused the P0620 code. And that is that the bottom one is going to be Gen LI line. I connect this part to do the continuity test right here, and the other port is going to be located to this PCM right here, the bottom one, not the top one, right, this one, not this one, not this upper part. Then check 26. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As you can see, there's continuity, which means the wire is fine. And the second one is going to be with that thing in the middle. Now we're gonna check 13. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yep, there is our continuity, so there's no problem with the wiring. There's no corroded parts, so that's the damaged part. Alright, so alternator connector is repaired. Now I'm going to install the alternator. This top bolt has to come out in my case, so I'm gonna put it into it. All right, we start from there. Now the bottom bolt will go in. And the torque spec for that bolt is going to be 35 foot-pound, and that one as well, 35. B connector right there, which goes to the battery, is going to be 150 inch-pound. Everything is installed back into where it's supposed to be. Alright, I just checked the battery voltage. It's around 11.8. Should be good enough to fire it off. Let's see. There's any battery code coming up. Come on now. Talk to me. Talk to me, talk to me. Voltage is at 14.6. If it doesn't give you any battery charge system checking, whatever, in 30 seconds, you're pretty much good. Did that fix it? Did that fix the shit? Alright, we're gonna double check it with the code reader. Okay, turn this bad boy on. Okay, very good. From before, I'm just gonna clear the DTC and we'll check one more time. Okay, there you have it. All done. Nothing showing up. Very good.